Factory resetting your Echo Dot third generation is a powerful troubleshooting tool, but it's important to understand when and why you should use it. A factory reset completely erases all personal data, smart home connections, Wi-Fi credentials, and voice recordings from your Echo Dot, returning it to its original out-of-the-box state. There are four main situations when you should consider resetting your Echo Dot. First, when upgrading to a newer Echo device. Second, when gifting or selling your current device to remove personal data. Third, when moving to a new home with different Wi-Fi. And fourth, when troubleshooting persistent performance issues. However, before performing a factory reset, you should always try simpler troubleshooting steps first. Start with a simple restart of your Echo Dot. Check your Wi-Fi connection and ensure your Alexa app is updated. Try moving the device closer to your router or restarting your network equipment. Many Echo Dot issues are actually Wi-Fi related problems that can be resolved without a factory reset. Remember, factory reset should be your last resort. Only reset when simpler troubleshooting steps have failed or when you specifically need to remove all personal data from the device. There are two reliable methods to factory reset your Echo Dot third generation. Both methods will completely erase your device settings and prepare it for a fresh setup. Method 1 uses the Action button. This is the button with a single dot on top of your Echo Dot. Press and hold this button for 20 to 30 seconds continuously. Keep the button pressed down continuously. Do not release it early. The light ring will turn off and then back on again when the reset is successful. Method 2 requires pressing two buttons at the same time. You need the volume down button, which shows a minus sign, and the microphone off button, which shows a microphone with a line through it. Press both buttons at exactly the same time and hold them down together for 20 to 40 seconds. This method may take slightly longer than the single button method. When either reset method succeeds, your Echo Dot will display a bright orange light ring. This orange color indicates the device is now in setup mode and ready to be connected to your Amazon account through the Alexa app. If your reset attempt doesn't work, first make sure your Alexa app is updated to the latest version. Also, verify you're holding the buttons for the full duration. You can always try the alternate reset method if one doesn't work. Remember, both reset methods will completely erase your Echo Dot settings. The orange light ring confirms success, and you'll need the Alexa app to set up your device again.